first quick question, what is your, like, if you had to describe in a few sentences, the primary ways in which Coefficient helps you, and what does it help you power? Could you please describe?
Yeah, so we're we use HubSpot for our CRM, and I find a lot of the reporting limited, especially from a RevOps perspective, where I'm trying to like calculate conversion rates and things like that.
Yeah.
You can't do that natively in HubSpot, and so I just pull the data with Coefficient, and then in Google Sheets I just create all my dashboards. So
Understood.
I just have one kind of master dashboard that all of the sales leaders use, CEO looks, the CFO use that for like the source of truth.
So you said you have like one master dashboard. I kind of follow this. That's your current pipeline and health of pipeline forecasting and so on.
Yeah, I even do. HubSpot's just really bad even at like the most basic thing of like having sales quotas and reporting on quota attainment.
Yeah.
Super bad. So I just do it in Google Sheets with Coefficient. Like so it's really like everything that has to do with our sales team is actually in Google Sheet. Yeah.
Understood.